Invest in yourself for guaranteed results. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So part of becoming the best version of yourself, part of getting your vision, part of getting that goal, part of becoming the person you've always wanted to be is by starting by choosing yourself, choosing to invest in yourself, choosing to put all your efforts, your hard work, your dreams, your passion, your willpower, your everything into the goal that you're trying to achieve. When you decide to invest in yourself, that means you're saying yes, that means you're taking yourself seriously, you're taking the time and the energy, and you're going to do what's required for you to get to where you need to get to. For example, if you're trying to maybe build a business and you may take up coaching lessons, you may start buying books, you may start figuring out how to even begin, what's the first step, whatever it is that you're doing, you're now telling yourself that you're taking this seriously, you're giving yourself the opportunity to progress, you're giving yourself the opportunity to become it, and you're promising yourself that you're worthy, you're promising yourself that there's no other option but to do what needs to be done. Invest in yourself to show people how serious you are about your goals. Invest in yourself to prove to yourself that you can do anything you put your mind to. Invest in yourself doesn't mean spending loads of money. Sometimes knowledge is free. You don't have to buy all those courses, because people sometimes use it as an excuse to not get to where they need to be. They may use it as an excuse. For example, if they're trying to start a business, they might say, I don't have the money for a coach, for a business coach, I don't have the money to buy the books, I don't have the money to buy a domain, whatever it may be. But they always seem to have money for coffee, you always seem to have money for the latest shoes and bags, you always seem to have money for things that don't really add value to yourself. But somehow when it's something that's much more important, something that's guaranteed to yield better results for your life, you don't put in the same amount of money and effort into it. You have to tell yourself that you're ready to go and just go and ready to and get into it. And when you invest in yourself, you're guaranteed to get results. That doesn't necessarily mean that, let's say you're trying to start a business, you buy the books, your business will be successful tomorrow. No, what I mean is the fact that you're putting yourself first, the fact that you're choosing yourself, and the fact that you're trying to get onto the next level, become a better you've already gotten the results. You've already decided that you're worth it, you're better than this. So regardless of whether your business fails or grows, you've stepped out of your comfort zone, you've done something for you, something that adds value, something that's added value to your life. So don't be discouraged. You don't always win, but sometimes you gain insights on how to run a business, you get an insight of who you are, you get an insight of the things that you like and you don't like. You are practically winning, rather than you staying in one spot that you hate, staying in a job that you hate, and spending money on things that don't matter. Spend money on things that make you a better you. Be willing to learn, be willing to evolve, and do whatever it is it takes for you to get to the next level. Okay, don't forget to invest in yourself for guaranteed results. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.